Today we are going to learn how to use some creative, simple, formal and informal English greetings that people around the world use to greet each other. Hello. This is the most basic greeting in English. We can use it at any time and in any situation. We can also use it before other greetings, sentences, and questions. Hello. How are you? Hello. My name is Lena. What is your name? Hello. Can you help me with something? Hello. I'm looking for the subway station. Let us see some more formal greetings. These greetings can be used in any formal situation, such as a business meeting or meeting someone's parents, and they can also be used in informal situations as well. How are you? Or how are you? How are you doing? How is it going? Or how's it going? How is everything? How's everything going? Here is an important note. How are you doing? This is different than what are you doing. How are you doing means how are you? Whereas what are you doing is asking what action you are currently doing. How's it going? This expression is asking how a person's life is going. Are they doing well? Are they healthy? How is their job? We can think of it as your life. Now let us see how to respond to these questions. How are you? I am great. Why is that? I finally found a job. How are you? I'm terrible. Oh no. What happened? My pet died yesterday. How's it going? Everything is going well. How about you? How's it going? Everything is good. How's it going? I'm okay. How are you? How's it going? Not well. I got fired yesterday. How have you been? This question is very similar to how are you? However, how are you is asking about a person's feelings right now. How have you been is asking about their life from the last time we met them until now. Some examples. How have you been? I've been good. How about you? How have you been? I'm good. How have you been? Now let's quickly check other formal greetings. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. These are formal ways of saying hello, which change depending on the time of day. Keep in mind that good night is only used to say goodbye, so if you meet someone late in the day, remember to greet them with good evening, rather than good night. Good morning, John. Good afternoon, Ms. Smith. Good evening, sir. How can I help you? It was nice to meet you. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. Let's move to the other formal greetings. It's nice to meet you. It's an honor to meet you. This is a very polite expression to use the first time that we meet somebody. It's a pleasure to meet you. This is the same as it's nice to meet you. It can also be shortened. Pleased to meet you. It's good to see you again. We use this greeting for people that we have already met before. We use it for people we do not see or meet often but have met before. This greeting can also be shortened. Good to see you again. We can also change see to meet. It's good to meet you again. Good to meet you again. Greeting a person you haven't seen for a long time, formal. It has been a long time. It's been too long. What have you been up to all these years? It's always a pleasure to see you. How long has it been? Greeting a person you haven't seen for a long time, informal. Long time no see. It's been a while. Where have you been hiding? It's been ages since I've seen you. How have you been? A quick recap formal greetings. Hello. How are you? How are you doing? How is it going? How is everything? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good to see you. Nice to meet you. It's an honor to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Informal greetings. What's new? What is going on? Long time no see. How have you been? Where have you been hiding? It's been ages since I've seen you. Thanks for watching. If you like this lesson, then please like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Comment down below what all are the greetings you would like to use while greeting someone after a long time.